course of the last 2 days, our contestants participated in 6 sub-contests. And now it's time to announce the winners. To begin with, our first sub-contest, Pond's BB Plus Picture Perfect Diva. Here the contestants were judged on the basis of picture perfect, spotless and radiant skin. As you're aware, Pond's BB Plus gives an even skin tone and instant natural glow, so that you are absolutely picture ready and picture perfect. To give away this award, may I now request the perfect, gorgeous Miss Priscilla Corner on stage. And the winner for Pond's BB Plus Picture Perfect Diva is Shivani Michelle Baker, everybody! Our next sub-contest, Jashan Elegant Diva. Here the contestants were judged on how elegantly they carried the Jashan outfits. To give away this award, may I call the stylist for this evening, Priyanka Khanna, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner is contestant number 14, Rukshan Yasmin. Our third sub-contest is Studio Aesthetic Diva. The winner of this sub-contest was judged based on their great complexion. To give away this award, may I request Dr. Madhu Chopra to please join us on stage. And the winner, Karishma Nath. Everybody give it up for. Fourth sub-contest was 92.7 Big FM Confident Diva. Here the contestants were judged on their confidence. To give away this award, may I request Ms. Pant to please join us on stage. And the winner is contestant number 5, Tanumita Ghosh. The fifth sub-contest was the Reliance Trends Trendy Diva, judged on the basis of who carried the Reliance Trends outfits the best. To give away this award, may I request Mr. Midul Chingo from Reliance Trends Guwahati to please join us on stage. And the winner is Janet Bay, everybody! Janet! Our final sub-contest was Shiv Tara Properties Private Limited. To give away this award, may I request Ms. Payal Chadha to please join us on stage. Contestant number 14, Ruksar. We have come one step closer to finding out our top 7. The first one, contestant number 10, Shivani Baker. Second name on this list is contestant number 1, Karishma Nath. Contestant number 14 is the next one, Ruksar Yasmin. The next one on this list, contestant number 11, Pooja Ghosh. The next name is contestant number 12, Wasima Rehman. Contestant number 9, Shayantika Bhadro. The last name on this list is contestant number 2, Janet Bay. Now is the time for the final round, the Q&A. Now is the real time to impress the judges with your answers. Each of the 7 finalists will pick the name of a jury member who will ask them questions and judge them on their response.
Zubin Garg, sir.
When you retire from modeling, what do you want to do for the society?
I aspire to be someone, a role model who can inspire the society around me to live, to appreciate and to share.
Thank you very much. Nice answer.
Priscilla Corner.
If you could style any one personality in the world, who would it be and why?
अगर मैं किसी को स्टाइलिंग करना चाहूँगी तो वो कंगना सेन शर्मा है, क्योंकि वो बहुत एलिगेंट है और हमेशा साड़ी पहनती है। तो वो अगर ज़्यादा वेस्टर्नाइज ड्रेस पहनेगी तो मुझे लगता है कि वो ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी। जुबीन गर्ग।
What you want to be in your next life?
I would like to become the girl as I am now, child of my same parents, and I would like to smile in pigtails like I did when I was born and be their savior like I do now.
Mumtaz!
So if you have to walk as a showstopper for a particular designer, who would that be?
I would love to work for Manish Malhotra because his style is somewhere very unique and his bridal designs make the bridal wear a very different from every other designer. So I would love to work for Manish Malhotra.
Miss Mumtaz Sarkar.
According to you, who's the most stylish celebrity?
For me, the most stylish celebrity would be Rihanna.
Dr. Madhu.
I have seen you in most of various outfits, and I see that you carry yourself very well. But suppose there was an emergency of some kind and you had to carry only 3 outfits out of your wardrobe. What would that be and why?
I would like to take a pair of jeans, a t-shirt and a boots.
Good choice.
Your judge is Miss Urvashi Pant.
If you were to bump into your style icon, what's that one question that you would ask him or her? No, first you have to tell me who your style icon is.
My style icon would definitely be Keira Knightley. The thing that I would ask her is, how can she look so glamorous every single time she comes out? And I would like to take some tips, like which would suit me to look as glamorous as her.
And I would take a moment to thank all our sponsors. Our title sponsor, Pond's BB Plus, associate sponsor, Audi Guwahati and Reliance Trends, powered by Shiftara Properties Private Limited, hospitality partner Radisson Blue, Guwahati aesthetic partner Studio Aesthetic, elegance partner Jashan, fashion partner Gallery 2000, gown partner Komal Sood, radio partner 92.7, Big FM Guwahati, television partner Zoom, event partner Zeal Advertising. And now time to announce the top 3 results here. The second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, and to do the honors, I would like to invite on stage Priscilla Connor. Please give her a big hand.
BB Feminist Style Diva East 2016 in association with Audi Guwahati and Reliance Trends, powered by Shiftara Properties Private Limited. Contestant number 14, Rukshar Yasmin.
First runner-up of the Pond's BB Plus Femina Style Diva East in association with Audi Guwahati and Reliance Trends, powered by Shiftara Properties Private Limited. And to give away the award, I would like to invite Zubeen Garg and Dr. Madhu Chopra. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Zubeen Garg and Dr. Madhu Chopra.
First runner-up of the Pond's BB Plus Feminist Style Diva East 2016 in association with Audi Guwahati and Reliance Trends, powered by Shiftara Properties Private Limited is contestant number 10, Shivani Baker.
Who will be the winner of Pond's BB Plus Femina Style Diva East? Let's find out. I would like to call upon stage Mumtaz and Urvashi Pant.
And the winner of the Pond's BB Plus Femina Style Diva East 2016 in association with Audi Guwahati and Reliance Trends, powered by Shiftara Properties Private Limited is
Contestant number 9.
I was surprised. I was just, yes, I was expecting it. And when they announced my name, I was just like, oh man, I just made it. And I'm so happy for it.
Initially, I was very nervous, but as soon as my name was called out, I was so happy, so elated, so over the moon. And well, my cheeks are hurting right now because I can't stop smiling.
ये फेमिना है जिसके लिए सब लोग तरसते हैं. मुझे वो मौका मिला और इसमें मैं जीती. तो इट्स लाइक अ वेरी ग्रेट अचीवमेंट फॉर मी. स्पीचलेस.